So most importantly, here is the Coachella packet and the ticket. Need to bring this, most importantly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. If you haven't been here before, then welcome. Click the subscribe button and the thumbs up. And today I am packing for Coachella. I'm really excited. This is my first Coachella. Even though I'm living in Dallas now and I was living in LA for 7 years, I never went. So I'm going with two friends. One lives in Albuquerque and one lives in Phoenix. And tomorrow I fly to Phoenix and then we are driving Thursday night to Coachella. So I am just bringing a carry-on suitcase and a personal item. So I'm gonna see if I can fit everything in there. I did ship a mattress pad to my friend's place because we're camping for 4 nights. I've camped quite a bit, but when I go, it's usually just for 1 or 2 nights. I've been to music festivals before. Since I was like 18, I've been going, but it's quite a bit different when you go at 18 and camp for 4 nights than over 30. So we're gonna just see how we all survive this. But yeah, I shipped a mattress pad and they're bringing all like the camping gear and coolers and chairs and tents and things like that. So luckily I don't need to pack most of that stuff. I'm gonna try and pack my sleeping bag, but if it doesn't fit, I think my friend has an extra one. So yeah, let's get packing. Tell me why when I booked my flight on Frontier, I thought that I could do just like a carry-on and not a checked bag when I'm camping. Like, I don't know if that was the smartest decision, but I can't change it now. So hopefully it all fits. So my suitcases are up here. It was so cute when I was giving my nephew an apartment tour. He was like, "Why do you have so many suitcases?" He's 5. And I was like, "Well, I travel a lot." I do have kind of a lot, but my plan is to bring this pink one, which is a carry-on. I've had that one longer than the one above it and don't want to get any of the nice bags like messy or, knock on wood, stolen. Because I am just lounging at home, I am wearing a Hex Code t-shirt from my streetwear brand, the Lover Girl shirt. I'll link it below. And I have on my Sierra classic hoops with a lab-grown diamond. Also, we'll link those below in the description box. This suitcase for probably like 10 years now. As you can see, it's like really roughed up. Which is fine because we're camping. Otherwise, I would bring probably a bit of a nicer bag. This is the box. Like I said before, they put a lot of effort into this box. I'm not going to bring the whole thing because it takes up quite a bit of space, but obviously bringing the wristband. Do I need this? Probably not because I downloaded the app already. This is a lot. Stickers, which I'll probably bring because I don't know, those could just be kind of fun. Pull from here. What the heck? I don't know. Oh, you'll look in here and pull it up. See you in the desert. Okay. I mean, yeah, I guess they worked hard on that. There you go, you can see the whole thing. Definitely don't need to bring that though. Even include a Coachella vision board. This is like a lot of stuff that I'm unfortunately not gonna use, so not gonna bring that either. Okay, so I'll bring the stickers and the wristband. This is really funny. Solochella boot up. So I guess I'll just have to put on this sticker. And this one. And this one. And this one. So I did also make my own packing list, which is like a normal packing list plus everything that you would need for camping. And I'll share it here. I haven't been to a festival in so long, so I did end up purchasing some outfits and one pair of boots. This is one of the looks, and it comes with this silver belt, and this has like little belt loops. I'm not going to try on everything because I've already tried on most of it and it fits for the most part. There's one thing I might have to try on, but I'm in a little bit of a hurry to pack. But make a separate video while I'm at Coachella and you can see all the looks then. Got this as well, which is a jumpsuit. Looks super cute on. I tried to get things that I would wear other than just to Coachella, which I feel like maybe I'll wear this again to like a concert or something, but it was a little hard to get festival stuff that I'm definitely gonna wear again. I got these boots from Aria, I think that's how you pronounce it. These super cute like white ankle cowboy boots. I was looking for something like this that's like a cowboy boot but has some more tread and would be more comfortable. These are super comfortable. I'll see how they hold up. I know they're white, maybe not the smartest choice for a music festival, but they're pretty like cleanable. I feel like I could wipe them down. So these are coming with me. I got some accessories, these heart sunglasses, this belt, and a little jewelry hand chain. This, I usually don't buy stuff from other jewelry brands because I have my own company, but I thought this was cute, and then I was like, I should probably design something like this, but nicer. And then this paperclip chain is from Sierra, from my brand. This is a dress that I already had, but I'm gonna bring it and possibly wear it on one of the days because it has shorts. It's like an athleisure dress, super comfortable, and I thought that the belt could go with it along with the boots and have kind of like a modern cowgirl look for one of the days when we see Shabuzi and Jessie Murph or something. This Dusty Road hair extension pack, which I have owned for years and never used, so I thought this might be a good opportunity. Kind of wild. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but maybe. So I think I'll bring it and maybe it could go with one of the looks. We'll see. I also don't even know how you install this. Like I might not be able to do it, but yeah. It's a little crazy, but it could be cute if done the right way. I also bought this little fan just to put in my purse because it's gonna be so hot. So thought that would be helpful to have. Pretty much it for what I bought. There's one package downstairs that has earplugs and makeup remover and mascara. But I would have bought mascara and an eyebrow pencil anyway. That's just stuff that I needed. It wasn't specifically for Coachella. So I don't feel like I actually bought that much specifically for the festival. Also going to bring this skirt, which has shorts in it, and some other crop tops just as like some outfit options. This was gonna be a backup, but I'll probably actually wear this on Sunday on the country day instead of the black dress. Sunglasses maybe. And then I'm also bringing this bag. This bag, which is what I'll bring into the festival, and put like some snacks, you know, it'll be my purse and then water bottle, snacks, whatever else I need to bring in that's allowed in because they won't let you bring in a lot of different things. So might have to like, there's some hidden pockets in here. Bringing this crop top sweater as well because it gets a little cooler at night during the desert, and this will be able to fit in the backpack. The boots are in here. My friend is bringing me a sleeping bag, which is great, meaning I don't have to pack one. I could have done it, but definitely would have been a squeeze with a carry-on bag and personal items. So more room for clothes. I just checked the weather. It's a high of 103 and the lowest temperature is 66. So it's gonna be pretty hot all day. It's gonna be brutal. Oh my god. I'm bringing some power bars and some instant coffee because I cannot survive camping without coffee. I think my friends are getting some, but I just want to be 100% sure that I can like survive on my own. I'm gonna put like underwear, bras, socks and stuff in here, and then just pack a pair of sneakers, and probably gonna bring the Adidas. They're already dirty, so I mean, that's fine. They go with everything and they're pretty comfortable. This is a little first aid kit that I've put together, so I'm gonna bring that. I usually bring it snowboarding, but it'd be good just to have for this. Pack my toiletries in here. Will go in either one of these 2 bags. Hair ties, bandanas, accessories, and jewelry. Also bringing an extra power bank. Got my makeup and my toiletries together. Have all the hair stuff. The jewelry is packed in here. I am pretty much ready to go. To do laundry still and pack the stuff that I'm gonna wear tomorrow, Thursday on the plane, and on Monday coming back. And that's it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Check back for the Coachella vlog video, which will be coming in the next week or 2, and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. This is my phone case, and I've heard that phones get stolen, so I'm gonna try and make like a little armband for this with some extra beads that I have. Okay, this actually worked out really well, like low-key super cute. Maybe I should start another business. Just kidding. But this will work. You can see it better here.